So what are you up to today, Marc?
Doing some prep for the James Beard dinner. I'm working on my appetizer, which is going to be potato crisps with the smoked trout and crumb fresh. A little bit of acidulated shallots.
How do you find the hotel kitchens?
It's huge, man. Huge. I just saw a robo-coop the size of my house.
I'm making some cornbread for Alépée. We're gonna have, I made a water buffalo hard tongue pemmican. Now I'm making some cornbread to serve it on. Without a whisk.
I can see that.
No whisks.
Yeah, there are.
Really? Is that his?
How do you find the hotel situation? The hotel.
It's crazy. It's like a fucking maze.
Yeah.
It's like there's white hats everywhere, and this girl looked at me and she said, I was just wondering, hey, you guys are the chefs that are in town. I said, yeah. She goes, you guys look more like a rock and roll band.
That's good.
I said, hey, if the shoe fits, right? Yeah, no, it's been great, and they've been absolutely hospitable to us. David Garceau has been amazing, and all of the sous chefs with sourcing ingredients for us, and they've been so good.
The coolest thing about this space that you guys will appreciate is, and I didn't realize this until after we did this, but this used to be a terrace. You can see there's tile there. It used to be guest space when the hotel first opened, because the hotel wasn't air conditioned then, right? So you can imagine the summer they don't have. Yeah. So if you look at the old pictures, there's like tables and umbrellas out here. But from when the hotel opened in 1931 until I think the 1970s, this whole floor and this space was rented by a private club in New York until they left it. So this was used by that private club, and the private club was the Canadian club in New York. This was used by them for over 60 years.
It's
and then it's
amazing.
been empty, so it's kind of fitting.
Welcome to James Beard Dinner featuring a group of 7 chefs.
Oh my.
Walking down to her mom. Going to dinner there on Thursday.
They said that I was there on Friday. You said you were coming in this week.
Yeah, it's part of that
Hello there. How are you doing? Okay, I didn't see that. Sorry if I'm getting in your way. Tell me who's working.
A group of Toronto chefs known as the Group of 7. They're a group of innovative chefs who are changing the food scene in Toronto. One of the things I like about the group of 7 is that there are 8 of them. They are restaurateurs, community activists, consultants, caterers, and butchers. Here are the 8 chefs who make up the group of 7.
Matty Matheson from Toronto. I got a bro taping us. What's up, dog? I did the pemmican in the heart with Scott, and the goose, and the dulse in the buttermilk dish. Word. Any questions?
Yeah, my name's Kevin McKenna. I work at Taboo, a resort up in Muskoka, up in the cottage country in Ontario. I was paired up with Marc Dufour. We did the cannelloni, the goat cheese and Parmesan cannelloni to start, and then we did the elk with the black truffle pomzana and the squash, as many ways as we could think of, and the bird syrup gastrique.
My name is Marc Cutrara. I'm the chef and owner of Cowbell restaurant, and I was responsible for the charcuterie this evening. Philosophy of the restaurant is using whole animal, and charcuterie just happens to be a natural progression of that philosophy, so also tasty.
How did the charcuterie get to James Beard?
I hooped it. I did hoop it. I hooped it across the border. I was having heart palpitations for about 3 days before coming to James Beard, with 30 kilos of cured pork products in my suitcase. Very difficult to do, but the border crossing thought I was carrying sandwich meat. So I made it, and yeah. God bless New York and America.
Hey everyone, my name is Chris Brown. I work at the Stop Community Food Center in Toronto. And tonight I worked with Nick Liu, and we did the silken tofu appetizer and the scallop fish.
I'm Nick Liu. I'm just opening a restaurant called GwaiLo in Toronto.
What does GwaiLo mean, Nick?
It means foreign devil, which is what I sort of am anyway. So, but like you said, we partnered up together. We did the tofu and the scallop.
Hello, my name is Scott. I am from Beast Restaurant in Toronto. Matty and I did some food together, which was a lot of fun. We also used the trimmings from our goose breast to make the tartare, and yeah, we did the goose with the dulse. Dulse. He's
From my
been
grandmother.
teaching me how to pronounce it for the last 2 weeks. So, yeah, and Bert and I kind of conjured up the idea to get a bunch of chefs together and do events every month and hang out and really bring attention to Toronto's gastronomy scene, because we felt that the talent wasn't lacking, but the attention was. So not only did we think it would be a great idea to hang out with a bunch of friends and cook on our days off, but as well to kind of do justice to what Ontario has to offer. And now we get to come to New York and show everybody what we're all about. And it's just a kind of the tip of the iceberg, what you can find in Toronto and all around Ontario. So we hope those of you who aren't from there come and visit and check out what we're doing. We'd like to thank Charles Baker and the Somewhereness group, who provided the lovely wines this evening. And the whole staff at the James Beard House have been amazing to work with over the last. We really started planning this dinner in February, so a lot of thought went into it, and a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. We paid our whole way for this. So all of our dinners up until now were to raise money for us to come down here and 8 of us to sleep in a 1-bedroom apartment in Brooklyn.
Let me picture.
But it's well worth it, and we're very honored to be here, and just very humbled by the experience that we have had so far on this trip, and we'll continue to have for the next 2 days now that we're done cooking. And that's about it. Yeah, it's been and he's not here tonight, but David Garcelon at the Waldorf Astoria provided the preparation space for us yesterday, and the food. No room at the Waldorf.
We tried.
I would like to give a shout out to any of the New Yorkers that are in the room. I lost my cell phone in a cab today, and another rider, I guess, who got in after me, took the cell phone, knew that the New York taxi service was a little bit slow in returning lost and found items, and actually took it and delivered it to me today at the James Beard House. So, New York, you guys.
Hi, I'm Bertrand Alépée. I have a company.
Bertrand Alépée.
Yeah, thank you. I have a catering company.
He has a catering company.
Thank you. It's called the Tempered Chef, and I also do consulting all over Toronto. Like my forte is pastry, so I was cooking the pastry tonight for you guys. Baking, I guess I should say. Yeah, that's it. I definitely would love to thank all the New Yorkers, but I also would like to thank a lot to all the Canadians that actually crossed the border and came and attend the dinner tonight. It's a big honor for us to have some of you that are here, all of you that are here, and it's very nice to see the support. We've been getting great support from everybody in Ontario, in Toronto, in Canada, and it's a great honor to be here. So thank you, everyone.
Hello, I'm Marc Dufour. I did the elk dish, the main course with Kevin McKenna. Thank you very much. Also, I'd like to thank again everybody in the city I've met so far. It's been fantastic. I'd like to thank my parents who are sitting over there. Without them, I couldn't have been here. And I hope to be back here to cook at the James Beard House again. It was a great experience. Thank you very much.